establish their leadership over here, state leadership. The BJP is a divided house. They have huge factionalism going on, and they're just trying to cover all this up with a non-issue. While we sympathize with the family of Sachin, but they're yet to figure out what is the role that the government has played or I have played. This is the letter of Mr. Santosh Patil, who committed suicide during the BJP regime. Mr. Ishwarappa resigned because of this, and the BJP is citing this as the excuse to seek my resignation. Very clearly in this letter, Mr. Santosh has written that the reason for my suicide is the Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Minister, Mr. Ishwarappa, and he should get severe punishment, and my family should be taken care by the then government, that was BJP, the then BJP Chief Minister, and Mr. Yediyurappa and the community. So very clearly, he is telling his name. He's written his name in the letter. Whereas in the letter which Mr. Sachin has written, he has accused 8 people. And he's mentioned my name twice, saying that these people had come to see me. He's nowhere mentioned that I am the reason, neither am I an accused or anything. So BJP is just trying its best to ensure that they find something that will embarrass the government, that will embarrass Mr. Kharge, and seek my resignation. But that is not going to happen because I have got a clean slate. The BJP can do whatever in its capacity to hide their differences, to hide what Mr. Muniratna is doing, to hide what C.T. Ravi is doing, to hide the lack of leadership that is plaguing them in the state.
So are you putting it on record that Sachin was not in a close proximity?
Absolutely. See, I don't know him personally. And I meet a lot of people every day. And he claims that he had come and met me, and I'm not sure. And I don't know him personally, is what I've always told.
The BJP is doing Kalburgi Chalo signal, CBI.
Yeah, I welcome them to Kalburgi. Let them come to Kalburgi. We will ensure that they don't go back hungry or thirsty, because there will be a lot of sloganeering that will go on without logic, because they don't have one document to showcase that, and hence they are going to do it. Let them